So as you can see behind me, we have Robert the doll. Robert the doll is one of our favorite things to do here in Key West. One of our videos that we did have, we got a lot of messages and comments about sorry Robert for everything and all that kind of stuff. We don't feel like you need to do that, because as long as you come and watch videos with Robert the doll with a good heart, we feel like he will not harm you and he will take care of you. We do have a few videos. We also have a documentary that we created about Robert the doll and about Robert and who he is and the Otto family. Highly suggest you guys go there and check it out. I'm going to show an overview of the fort as well. Maybe do a couple K2 sessions, maybe. I'm not sure. I am here with some friends, so I don't want to take up their time either. But this is our favorite guy. This is Robert the doll, and we just want you guys to have the same love and respect for him as well. If you are new here, hello, hi, and welcome. We are Echo Travel Adventures. We come all over the United States, but mostly it's been Florida, a little bit of Nebraska, and a couple other places. We are trying to get out more and do a lot more other things, but this is our main thing, is travel and showing you what you guys can experience. If you've never been to East Martello Fort down here in Key West, Florida, it is $16 for an adult. They do have like pre-purchase things that you can do online, and then you can save a couple of dollars. But don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment and everything else. I really do hope you enjoy this video. Well, we are back again with our good friend Robert the doll. Amber's not with me today, but we just wanted to come by and say hello and thank you for everything that you've ever done for us. We did move to Omaha. I know you kind of didn't want us to leave, but we did nonetheless. So in case you didn't know exactly how to get to Robert the doll, when you walk in, this is one of the first areas you come into. You come back around, and then you get meeted with Robert. Robert actually has a lot of different things that you can do. You can actually write a message to Robert. You can kind of just read some of the letters that have been written to Robert about things that they kind of just didn't understand or know. They do have the address right here. One of the things that we have always said, and I said it in the intro, is that if you come to Robert with any kind of ill intent in your heart, you're probably going to be met with a couple things. We don't believe that if you come and meet Robert and be disrespectful and fearful and everything, you're not going to be affected that much. But he's been a friend of ours. At least we deem him a friend of ours. We've been to his house. We've been to Robert Eugene Otto's gravesite. We've been to a lot of different things regarding Robert. The locals here have really helped us out a lot as far as getting to know him a little bit more and debunk some of the urban legends. So one of the things that we like to look at is the indigenous side, about the Seminole Indians. One thing that we saw over here is a dugout canoe. And then you come back through and you kind of look at all the other stuff. And then you have Robert right there in the middle of the fort. I'm not sure exactly where the covenant was, but the covenant was also here somewhere on the island. I don't think it was here exactly. But you have Robert. And then you have a lot of different like haunted areas here. So you have the haunted Key West, you have the Marrero Mansion, the Audubon House, Captain Tony's Saloon. And probably one of the most weirdest story is the story about Count von Kassel. That story, I would give that a Google. That is probably one of the weirdest stories that I've seen. And coming through, a lot of people don't realize is that Key West was actually one of the spots for cigar making and all that kind of stuff, and that's exactly what they did here. And they have a lot of the different spots and cigar boxes and rollers and everything that you can imagine for the cigar. And then coming through once more is the raft from Cuba, and then you walk outside into the courtyard. I'm not going to go into the Citadel and show inside there, just because I didn't. It's cool. It's breathtaking. When you go up all the way to the top, you can actually see a lot of different stuff that you normally can't see. But we're just going to bypass that for now. But here's the courtyard. Sometimes you can see iguanas. That dollhouse is reportedly to be haunted. And then here is the Citadel, which is awesome. And then over here towards this way is the gift shop. So this is probably gonna be one big video. I'm done here at the East Martello. Robert's still behind me. We're going to head out and we're going to go to a couple other locations and see what else we can find, what else we can record. Stay with us, guys. Please, again, if you want to comment, please comment. You do not have to say, thank you and sorry, Robert, and all that kind of stuff. You don't have to. Just come and watch this video with the goodness in your heart, okay? But other than that, guys, keep enjoying this video. We'll go hit up some more spots in Key West. We're over here at the Waterfront Brewery, about to go eat dinner. We'll show you what the menu looks like. But the one thing I remember most is the arcade area of the area. It is a brewery, which is pretty awesome. But look at this. A whole bunch of games. Pretty awesome. So excuse the loudness. We're doing the Waterfront Brewery. Over here we have the Cobb salad, Caesar salad, kale salad, grilled chicken and avocado salad, lettuce wraps, and sesame seared tuna salad. We have the starters here. We have a CV ceviche, nachos, pretzels. That actually sounded pretty good. And bruschetta, and a couple other items. And then we have the main entrees. I'm getting the Caribbean skirt steak. We got fish and chips, shrimp, and ribs, meatloaf. And then on this other side we have the soups and other things like that. And then you can do desserts. One thing that we did see is that they had the worms and dirt, which I'm thinking about getting that as well. Alright, so I did get the skirt steak again. It looks pretty good. He got the Caesar chicken salad and the fried shrimps over there, and then we got the club as well. That thing is massive. I remember when Amber got it last time, she was like, "Oh my god, it's huge." I guess it's 2 sandwiches on one. Well then. That's what she said. But we'll continue to eat and partake. It's really looking good. Well, here we stand once again in front of the artist house. Such a hard trip to get over here, especially when you're at the park so far away, but it's always great to come here. I'm gonna walk in and see if I can't talk to Carlos and Jessica and just let them know we appreciate everything that they did for us and everything else. But check out our videos that we do have for everything that we did over here at the artist house. No, we didn't shoot here ever before, but it's called Wicked Lick Key West. It's nitric oxide ice cream. It tastes delicious. You can get some of the merch here too. It's really good. Alright, so we just got back from Key West. Didn't get a chance to say goodbye over there. It was really cool to see Robert the dog again. Run into a couple people that we knew when we used to vlog down there. Other than that, Key West is always kind of going to be a go-to place for us just because of Robert the doll, the artist house, and all the experiences that we were able to experience there. So big shout out to CJ over at the East Martello, Kevin and David Sloan, and the staff over at the artist house. Guys, you don't understand how much we appreciate everything that you've done for us. since going down there and meeting you guys. The trip was a down and back, so it was very, very long. It's like almost midnight right now, so I'm about to hit the bed. I am exhausted. So, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. Don't forget to like and comment. Again, you don't have to say anything about apologizing to Robert or anything, and we're asking for permission to watch the video. We've already done all that. You don't have to worry about none of that stuff. So, again, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye, guys.